Hello, my name is Carlton Goodman. I'm at JTech. My project is to drain and add oil to the AC compressor. Now I'm connecting the recycle, vacuum, and charge machine to the high and the low side of the air conditioning lines. They're easy to snap on and tighten. The fittings are for the high and the low side. Once those are connected, the machine will be turned on, and then the process will start to recycle. The recycling process will drain and remove all the refrigerant, freon, from the unit. So we will be able to remove the compressor without exposing a lot of freon to the atmosphere. The first process will be to set the machine to recycle. Like the recycling process does not remove all of the freon, but it removes an amount to where it will not affect the unit. Finding how much pounds that the unit and the unit will take usually be labeled on the vehicle. That lets you know how many pounds the AC can take and how much usually goes inside the unit. The unit, this vehicle here, is 2 pounds, and so what I will remove is 2 pounds from the vehicle in the recycling mode. The unit is started. Now the next task is to remove all vacuum hoses so I can have access to the serpentine belt, and that where I will remove it, so the belt will be removed from the compressor, and I will be able to unbolt and remove the compressor. Here I'm removing the vacuum lines. Now I have access to the adjacent lever. It's the adjustable tension pulley of the engine, and usually this is one of the best ways to remove and loosen the belt. There is another pulley extender that can be used in order to remove and make it easier to put the serpentine belt and remove it. Here I'm just making slack on the pulley.
Let them take this off, and then you do your video and put it back. Unless you want to do that.
Here I'm unbolting the compressor. There's bolts, plugs. First loosen all the bolts before I totally replace them, remove them. So there will be no tension on one side of the compressor. After I loosen all the bolts, I then remove them. There's also 2 plugs that also connected to the compressor, which I will remove. Now that the compressor is completely unbolted, now I'm removing the compressor. After the compressor is removed, I will drain the oil and add 2 ounces of oil to the compressor. Okay, now I'm bolting the compressor back down. Replacing all of the bolts that I removed in the same order. Here, I add the oil to the compressor. We had to look the amount up to make sure that it's correct. Here, I'm putting the serpentine belt completely on. I'm at the adjuster, the pulley adjuster, giving it some slack to put the pulley back on, and the belt is on. Now I'm putting the vacuum hose back on and tighten them in. Here, I'm putting the vacuum recycle charge unit connections back to the unit, and here I will vacuum the lines down completely and then charge the system. Vacuum the lines down completely. We'll make sure we got any freon refrigerant that may have been left inside the unit. And after that, I will charge this system and it will be ready to go. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Carlton Good.